Hey guys, Devyalmo here on Rafa the More Excited with the channel, and today let's learn about React hooks. In this video we will learn useEffect. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, as this really helps me know you're liking the content. A new video is up every other Saturday. With that said, let's go to the video. So right here we have a project that I did so we can go straight to the point. If you want to know how I get the project to this point, I already have videos on the subject and I will make it available in the card. So let's create a component. Component, inside it, let's create example use effect index.js. Great. And right here we'll create the function export bones sample use effect equal to function. Right here insert the return, the fragment, and let's insert a h2. Hi, it's not being displayed right now because we need to call the function right here. Can use sample, and by doing this it will I'll make the import right here. If yours did not, no problem, you just need to type it down. Let's save it. The component is already showing up. So in the last video we saw use state. So let's import use state from React. Use state. If you want to know more about use state, I will also make it available for you in the card. With that done, we can create a counter. Const counter set counter equal to use state. The counter will start with the 0 value. Save it, and we can add the counter right here. Save, it will be a 0. Okay, now we need a button to change the our counter. Button, and on click will be equal to, yes, right here it will be a function, and the button will set counter to counter plus 1. And I saved it. The error is cause I didn't finish the button. Now save it, it will be up and the counter will be working just like in the last video. And now let's use useEffect. So I'm creating all of this so you can know why why I'm using everything I'm using. Right here, we use useEffect. UseEffect use two parameters. The first one will be a function that will be executed, and the second parameter will be an array that, if empty, will make the useEffect happen once. So in the useEffect, let's make something happen. Let's change the document title to all counter. Save it, press the button, nothing happens. Why is that happening? Because the use effect right here is saying that the use effect need to execute it only once. So, but we need that this change every time the counter change value. So we add counter right here. We can save it. And now every time we press the button, the value right here will change. So we just use useEffect to apply this function. UseEffect can also be used for one more thing. We can also use a return. And in this return, let's make it a function. And right here, let's say document.title. This will be equal to useEffect guide. So what's this? What's changing? What is this code? Nothing has changed. This is because all this component, this will be returned when this component is turned off. So let's make this happen. Let's create a state so that we can control whether the component will be visible or not. So right here we use const. The first array will be visible. The second will be set visible. And this will be equal to useState. Notice that useState was already imported right here. If your computer did not do that, you just need to type it and everything will be okay. The value that it will receive will be true. Save it, and right here, let's add a JavaScript code where if visible is true, then it will show our component. Okay, everything is good. Now let's use a set timeout so we can change whether this will be visible. So set timeout, and right here we will apply the function that will change set visible. Setable will be false, and let's make it happen every 5 seconds. So everything should work fine. Past the 5 seconds, the return that we wrote will be in effect and it will happen. This is what we need to know to use useEffect. Everything we can do with it. We can apply other We can apply other states here, so he can change with multiple states. But this right here is a good example of everything we can do with useEffect. If the content was useful to you, like, comment, and subscribe. Also, add me in social media. Links will be available in the description. And the code we just did will be in the comments. I will see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.